Tri-State's three major arenas have been crippled by the COVID-19 pandemic. The loss of business has affected workers, performers, and the local economy. 13 News anchor Rob Macco has this story.
Concerts, sporting events, and other live shows have been postponed or canceled, including the elimination of the TBT regional basketball event in Charleston. We visited all three arenas to see the effects of the shutdown and how they plan to recover. What should sound like this now sounds like this. Empty seats, silent loudspeakers. Jim Smith is the interim director of the Charleston Coliseum and Convention Center. He's worked there for 20 years.
A few challenges, but nothing like this. The uncertainty with this pandemic is unlike anything we've ever seen before.
COVID-19 forced the abrupt closure of the Coliseum during opening games of the West Virginia High School girls basketball tournament in March. Since then, Smith says the arena, convention center, and municipal auditorium have lost about 150 dates and $800,000 in revenue. More broadly, he says the economic hit for Charleston now stands at about $5.5 million. That's the ripple effect on nearby hotels, restaurants, and shopping.
We're here to support our local community, and it's tough to support when you're mandated to be shut down.
Brantley Gilbert played before 5,000 fans at Appalachian Wireless Arena in Pikeville, Kentucky on February 29th, the last concert before the shutdown. Then, says arena general manager Paul Bowles, the dominoes began falling.
It started that weekend with the boat and RV show, followed by the rodeo, and then soon after that they all started falling pretty quick.
He says the arena has lost around 14 shows and events and about $350,000 in revenue. While those numbers are kind of tough to take, Bowles says that the latter part of 2019 was really good for the Appalachian Wireless Arena, and he says that has helped lessen the blow.
We actually had a good little cushion started, but we were on record pace.
He says the Pikeville area has lost about $1.2 million from the closure of the arena, event center, and Appalachian Center for the Arts. Alice Cooper and Allison Krause have canceled their shows at Mountain Health Arena in Huntington, where 4 other concerts have been postponed. General Manager Cindy Collins says the arena annually provides an $18 million economic impact for the Huntington area. She won't put a number on how much money the facility has lost, but
most of my staff is furloughed. We've been lucky. We haven't had to lay anyone off. My company chose to furlough so they could continue to get benefits and things like that.
Now her 10 furloughed employees are beginning to be called back. The Charleston Coliseum and Appalachian Wireless Arena haven't had to furlough or lay off any workers. All 3 arenas continue to look at an uncertain future. In Pikeville, Poison just postponed its August 8th concert, and the August 14th Toby Keith concert has been canceled. How badly are you guys itching to get things going again?
We were ready the day that it started.
In Charleston, Smith says they're waiting for reopening guidelines. The next concert on the calendar for now, the Charlie Daniels Band and Marshall Tucker Band on August 15th. Modified seating is a real possibility.
And of course, Aaron Lewis is in September. Luke Bryant we still have scheduled in October, so we're hopeful that there's an end to this.
Mountain Health Arena plans to welcome Megadeth in October.
We're staying up to date with how to make our fans feel as safe as possible and really prioritize the safety of our staff and our fans.
I think we want people to wear masks and be careful until we're sure.
It's also looking forward to a $1.7 million renovation to the plaza that should be ready by Christmas, with fountains, fire pits, green space, amphitheater seating, and free concerts.
We have a really great local music scene in Huntington, so we fully intend to take advantage of that.
The arenas also employ part-time workers for concerts and events. None of them have been working since the middle of March. Rob Macco, 13 News, working for you.